today. Today I'm going to be cooking a smoked salmon fillet that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. So stay tuned to this video. Let's get to cooking. So what I'm cooking today is a 2-pound salmon fillet. I've got some garlic and herb butter. I've got some Weber Mediterranean seasoning. I've got some lemons. And then I've got some cedar planks here that I've got soaking in water that we're gonna put the actual salmon fillets on. And we're gonna get these on our Gateway drum smoker at 275. And we're going to let these things go for about 45 minutes to an hour with some B Championship blend. It's got a mixture of pecan, cherry, and oat chips just to give it a little bit of smoke flavor. That's what we're using. Let's go outside and check out the grill and see where it's at.
Guys, I got the Gateway to 200 right now with just Kingsford charcoal. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go back inside. We're going to prep the salmon where we need to, get the butter on, get the lemons on, get them on the planks, and we'll be ready to get to cooking.
Alright guys, so we've got roughly 75 more degrees to go on the Gateway, so I'll give it probably another 5-10 minutes. So what I've done to this point is I've separated out the fillet into little sections, probably like an inch and a half sections. I've sprayed the top of them down and laid olive oil on top of them. I put the Weber Mediterranean herb seasoning on it. And then on top, if you can see, I put the garlic and herb butter, just a couple slabs on each one of those, just to give it a little bit of moisture going into it once it just slowly renders into it. It's not going to take much. And then what I'll do is on top of each one, I've sliced up lemon here, sliced it up, and what we'll do is we'll just take them and just place them right here on top of each one of these, just to give it just one more last set of flavor. It's going to be really, really good. And then, whenever we take these planks out there and set them out there, what I've got here is I've got a cup of the actual B wood chips that I'm using as a dry method. The reason I do it as a dry method is it's not going to take these very long to cook. If I were going to do a longer cook, then yeah, I'd probably want to wet these for about 30 minutes, put them in aluminum foil. Then I have a little bit slower release of smoke for a longer lasting cook. But this, it's not gonna take very long. That's why I'm using Kingsford charcoal and then B wood chips. So guys, let's go back out to the Gateway, see if our temperature's where it's at, and we'll get these planks on the grill.
All right, so I've got the grill up to 250. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add my 1 cup of my actual wood chips in. I'll go ahead and put the grate back on at this point. I'm gonna close it back up, and I've got about 15 more degrees to go before I can get to where I need to put these planks on. We'll come back to it in just a minute. All right guys, we're back. You can see it just got a little bit of smoke rolling in here. So I've got it to 275 with just a hint of smoke. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these planks on and we'll get to cooking. what I'm looking for is with these is somewhere around 145 is the actual internal temp that we're gonna look for. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna let the planks warm up, let that go, let the smoke kind of kiss on it just a little bit and just give it some awesome, just juicy flavor. So we'll check back in about 15-20 minutes on these. All right guys, we're back. It's been about 45 minutes now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for the 145 to 146 range just to make sure that these things are all the way cooked through. What I'm using today is a thermal pen as well. Guys, I would really recommend one. It's gonna change your life with cooking. What we're looking for is right at 145, 146 range. That one's right at 145. That's what we like to look for. Let's get these off and let them rest for about 5 minutes. Then we'll get to eating.
All right guys, so it's been right at 5 minutes now that we've let these rest. Guys, these smell and look amazing. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna recap, tell you what we did. So it's a little over a 2-pound salmon fillet. Cut it up in about an inch and a half individual pieces. We soaked our cedar planks for 30 minutes, put them on, then I used olive oil on top, and then I put the Weber Mediterranean herb seasoning on it. Then I put the garlic and herb butter, a little slab each on each one, with some lemon slices on top. And then on the Gateway drum smoker, I used KINGSFORD charcoal with B wood chips, and then total cook time was roughly around 40 minutes to 45 minutes until our thermal pen told us that it was right at around 145 is the internal temp that we're looking for to make sure these are cooked all the way through. And guys, I'm telling you, it's a delicious dinner. It's healthy. You can serve it up with some asparagus, some potatoes, rice, whatever you and your family want to serve it. It's really good and a healthy dinner choice. Guys, if you like what we're doing here on Back Porch Recipes, subscribe, hit that like button. Comment down below if there's any other recipes that you guys want to see here on the channel. But thank you guys. We're gonna get to eat.